Great, another wonderful morning, and here we are, Jets Forex, if you will. Another beautiful setup where it broke out of our zone, if you will, and puts us in automatic profits down here. Anytime it breaks out of the road of the zone, the market will come back to normalcy, if you will. So another wonderful trade, and we can't complain. And this is what we teach every single day at jetsforex.com. You can visit our YouTube channel, Jets Forex, and for more videos. We do this every single day. This strategy setup, we have a course for it where we'll help you in a very big way, right, to profit from the market every single morning. This is Sergey signing off from Jets Forex. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.